In this video, I'm going to show you how to add link to TikTok bio. This is going to be a full guide and a basic step-by-step tutorial. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, a whole lot of creators out there might be wanting to, let's say, actually add their other social media handles or maybe their YouTube channel to their TikTok, right? So as they can organically build a very good audience for themselves here online. So if you want to learn how to do this, what you need to do first, you need to at first create a TikTok account, right? And you need to click on this edit profile. Once I've clicked on it, you can see this bio, right? You can either type in what you want to type in your bio, or you can either add your link, right? So if I remove, let's say, all this right now, I can add my link maybe to this YouTube channel right here in this video description. Once you have done that, it would be easier and it would go through. So if you find this really helpful, share those below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.